what's the biggest communication challenge you have faced in your relationship? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your experiences. Welcome to today's video, where we will explore what makes relationships thrive. Strong and effective communication. Whether you are navigating challenges or understanding why communication matters in marriage, it is essential for building trust, resolving conflict, and strengthening emotional intimacy. This video explores key marriage communication tips, tackles the common communication challenges like misunderstandings, avoidance, and negative patterns, and provide actionable strategies to strengthen your relationship, from mastering conflict resolution and couples communication strategies to fostering growth and communication. We will guide you towards creating a lasting bond. You will discover how communicating with empathy, expressing yourself clearly, and being patient and open-minded can transform your relationship. We will also discuss when to seek help when needed, explore the impacts of good communication and stronger family bonds, and uncover how communication contributes longevity and fulfillment in marriage. So, whether you are here for practical relationship advice, conflict resolutions, or to cultivate a deeper connection with your partner, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Strong and effective communication is the cornerstone of any thriving marriage. It fosters trust, deepens emotional connection, and helps couples navigate challenges together. Understanding the role of communication in your relationship can lead to greater harmony and happiness. If you have ever used a specific strategy to overcome a communication hurdle in your marriage, share it below. Your insights could help others. Why communication matters in marriage, you may want to know. Yeah, it matters so much. So let's dive deep into this. Marriage is a partnership built on mutual understanding and shared goals. Communication plays a vital role in 1. Building trust. Open and honest dialogue helps establish trust, ensuring both partners feel secure and valued. The second one, resolving conflicts. Disagreements are inevitable, but healthy communication allows couples to address issues constructively rather than letting resentment fester. And the third one is strengthening emotional intimacy. Sharing thoughts, feelings, and dreams brings couples closer, creating a deeper emotional bond. And the fourth is facilitating collaboration. Effective communication ensures that couples work together as a team, whether managing finances, parenting, or planning for the future. And the fifth is fostering growth. Through ongoing dialogue, partners can grow individually and as a couple by learning from each other's experiences and perspectives. Here I will share with you my 3 C's, which are the common communication challenges. Even the strongest marriages face communication hurdles. I want you to know this because a lot of people think, now everything is just rosy out there. It's a lie. It's a lie from the pit of hell. So, some common issues include in these communication challenges. 1. Misunderstandings. Misinterpreting words or intentions can lead to unnecessary conflict. 2. Avoidance. Fear of confrontation. may cause one or both partners to avoid addressing critical issues. And the third one is negative patterns. Criticism, defensiveness, and stonewalling can erode communication. The fourth is lack of time. Busy schedules and competing priorities can limit opportunities for meaningful conversations. The fifth is differing communication styles. Variations in how partners express themselves can lead to frustration or disconnect. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know. Also, please subscribe for more practical relationship advice. Here are the tips for effective communication in marriage. Improving communication is lifelong, but small, consistent efforts can make a big difference. Here are some tips to help you get started. The first one, practice active listening. Focus entirely on your partner. Maintain eye contact and show empathy without interrupting. The second one is express yourself clearly. Use I statements to convey your feelings and needs without assigning blame. For example, you say I feel rather than you always. The third one is schedule regular check-ins. Set aside time to discuss important topics and reconnect emotionally without distractions. And the fourth is be patient and open-minded. This is so crucial. Approach discussions with a willingness to understand your partner's perspective, even if you disagree. Then the fifth one is seek help when needed. If communication challenges persist, consider couples therapy or workshops to develop better skills together. I'm going to be sharing with you the impact of good communication in a relationship. When communication thrives in a marriage, the benefits extend beyond the relationship. Couples who communicate effectively often experience the following: greater relationship satisfaction. Both partners feel heard, respected, and understood. The second is improved problem solving. Challenges are addressed collaboratively, reducing stress and fostering resilience. The third one is deeper connection. Regular communication nurtures emotional and physical intimacy. The fourth one is stronger family bonds. Open dialogue sets a positive example for children and strengthens family dynamics. And the fifth one is longevity and fulfillment. Studies show that couples with strong communication are more likely to enjoy long-lasting happy marriages. Communication is not just a skill, it's the lifeblood of a thriving marriage. Couples can build a strong foundation that supports their relationship through every stage of life by prioritizing open, honest, and empathetic dialogue. Remember, it's never too late to improve your communication skills. Yes. I can say that again. Yes, it's never too late. Start today and watch your marriage flourish. Wrapping up, thank you for joining me in today's exploration of strong and effective communication in marriage. We have uncovered why communication matters and how it fosters building trust, resolving conflict, and deepening emotional intimacy. You can take meaningful steps towards a stronger, more fulfilling relationship by embracing these marriage communication tips and addressing common challenges like misunderstandings, avoidance, and negative patterns. Remember, implementing strategies like communicating with empathy, expressing yourself clearly, and being patient and open-minded can transform not only your partnership but also the foundation of your family. Whether you are here for practical relationship advice, seeking to master conflict resolution, or aiming to strengthen stronger family bonds, every effort counts towards achieving longevity and fulfillment in your marriage. This week, try one of these communication tips with your partner, whether it's scheduling a check-in or practicing active listening. Let me know how it goes. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. By subscribing, you are joining a community of couples dedicated to building stronger, happier relationships. Let's continue working together to build relationships that thrive. Thanks for watching again, and here is to creating lasting connections.